All right, this week is a short week. We only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday because then it's Thanksgiving. Exciting. So we are going to have some new activities this week, and it'll be kind of nice because we can practice them and then start fresh next week. So for rhyme production, I am actually saying the rhyme part, and you are thinking of words that rhyme with it. For example, if I said sail, you could say whale, pail, nail, tail, any word that rhymes with sail. Okay? So let's try one. Take. And you only have to think of one. Maybe you said make, fake, lake, rake. Those are all ones that would rhyme with take. Okay, now onset fluency. I say the word, you repeat the word and tell me what it starts with. Now the trick, or what's different this week, is I'm only saying one word, and they're going to start with sounds like ch, sh, th, wa. Okay? So they're called blends. So you're going to say those sounds. Ready? Chain, cha. So I'm giving you two. One to repeat the word, and then one to say the sound. And then I'll tell you the sound just to make sure you got it right. Shaking, sh, they, whale, wa, thunder. All right, good job. We're going to blend phonemes. I'm going to say the sounds. When I go like this, you blend those sounds together. Again, all this week we're going to be working with these sounds. Cha, sh, th, wa. Okay? So those are going to be on our blending parts too. Ch, op. And then I'll tell you what it is. Chop. You should have already blended it together. Okay. White. White. Is. This. Thumb. Sheep. Sheep. Them. Them. Shape. Shape. Chime. Chime. Okay. We're going back to isolating the medial sounds. That means the middle sound, what you hear up here in the middle. Okay, I'm going to do the word like ride, and then have you say the sound, I, and then I'll say it just to make sure you got it. Okay? And then we're going to say if it's long or short. Remember, long says their name, like I. When I said that, that would be long I. If it was I, that would be short I. Okay, let's try it. Ice. I. Short or long I. Good. Own. O. And that's long O sound, right? Ace. A. Long A. It says its name. Reed. E. Long E. Life. I. Long I. Mule. U. Oh, I told you the answer already. Long U. Ode. O. long O. So those were all long vowel sounds today. Okay, segmenting again. We're using sh, ch. I'll say it, you repeat it, you chop. I will do the first two with you. Third, d. Shade, shade. Sh, a, d. Now your turn. Then, cheese, when, these, chest. Okay, great. We're going to add the initial phonemes. That means the part at the beginning. We have the part ed. We're adding sh to the beginning to make shed. We have the part at. We're adding v to the beginning to make that. We have the part hour. We're adding sh to the beginning to make shower. We have the part air. We're adding ch to the beginning to make chair. We have the part arp. We're adding sh to the beginning to make sharp. We have the part ash. We're adding d to the beginning to make dash. We have the part ouch. We're adding k to the beginning to make couch. Good. Now we're deleting the initial phoneme. So we have the word fish without f. What's left? Ish. We have the word think without f. What's left? Ink. We have the word chest without ch. What's left? Est. We have the word dish without d. What's left? Ish. We have the word shore without sh. What's left? Or. We have the word van without l. What's left? An. We have the word chill without ch. What's left? Ill. Good job. Okay, now we are changing part of our phoneme. We're substituting it. We have the word take, change t to b. What's the word? Ache, bake. We have the word June, change j to t. What's the word? Tune. We have the word male, change to s. What's the word? Sail. We have the word boat, change b to k. What's the word? Coat. We have the word lake, change u to w. What's the word? Wake. We have the word feel, change f to p. What's the word? Peel. We have the word race, change to f. What's the word? Face. Okay. And that is it for today. Good job. See you tomorrow.